Got here? You get the whole baby? Box of poppers each. Woo woo! It burned her shoe. Fire! Uh-oh, somebody's in trouble. Oh, they did work. These are cool. And hello, Momma fans. This is Jimmy Joe's last day staying here. Well, he leaves tomorrow morning, but his last day. And when I came out here, my tent had blown over, but it's okay. We got it set back up and I staked it. I want the kids to be able to play in it. We were going to do a sleepover, but we changed our mind because it's too much work. and COVID. And let's see what today brings. And let's see what today brings. Aha, we got the egg. Get it before the chicken did. Aha, I won the game today. People are gonna think you're going crazy, Grandma. Okay, we're gonna do some shapes today. They're out here watching a movie.
That is not a movie.
Too cute. What is it? See how they tune you out? Can you hear me, Hud? Oh, here.
Not a movie.
Henry, can you hear me? What is it? Oh, Evie can hear me. Oh, Char's tuned me out. If it's not a movie, what is it?
It's a show.
A show. All right. I stand corrected. Yeah. Oh, and Amanda's, when she got home last night, her air conditioning went out. She thinks the dog chewed through something. So I got to call her and see if she survived the night. 95 degrees. Okay, Henry, here's your baby pancakes.
I don't want.
Got here? You get the whole baby?
Okay, sorry.
Oh, look how cute. He's talking to you. And we got our orange juice crew going on here. They insisted on some more orange juice. Okay, Henry, what's your job? Henry passes to Evie. Evie passes to, what's your name? Hudson. And Hudson squeezes it. And the pulp goes there, the juice goes there, the orange skins go there. And Evie, what's your second job? To make sure the juice is going in here. Sometimes it slides, huh? Okay, we're back in the hammocks with the kids. Got the tent set up. That sinks way down. Char got her spot. Got Dad out of there. Char's got Evie pushing her. I want Evie to do it. Okay, Evie's got it figured out. She's sitting down and pushing. Honk. Here comes Grandpa. He's gonna come out and sit with us. Oh, Father's Day present for Grandpa. You match the drill.
Now just barely.
Now we're listening.
Yeah, now you're listening.
They got the sprinkler on out back. You got it going? We don't have a splash pad, but we do have sprinklers. That'll cool you off. I dare you, I double dare you.
Here I go.
Okay, go. Whee! Right through the sprinkler. What's going on? Fingernail painting.
And
uh-oh, they're reddening up. See it?
that one's
Cooking up some chicken, some fish, some corn, some rice. Amanda's coming over later for fireworks. Look at this. This ought to do it. Oh boy, kids will love that. Okay, we got Jimmy Joe replacing the fan light in here. Okay, we're checking on JJ's status. Okay, so it is working. Okay, we got Amanda's kids here, and they've got the sprinkler going. We're trying to coax the kitties out. We got Amanda here.
Oh, so it's not one.
We're getting our eatings done.
Did it come with a 2-pack?
Okay, let's go out in the tent. Okay, I'm watching. Wow. Working on catching that third one.
Sit down.
4 of them in there. Naomi's the cat catcher. All 3 of them, sorry.
not 4.
Okay, not 3, 4. Take a look. Oh. So it has to be out there for the good signal. That's pretty awesome. Oh, look at those. 42 shots. Set our blankets up. Hey, we're getting ready for the firework. We can hear them going, but we can't see any. Box of poppers each. Woo! Okay, they're doing the puppets, these things, while we're waiting for it to get a little darker, because the kids are so excited. This is Jimmy Joe's last night. I think I said that already. And Shar will not go to bed. Huh, Shar? Aren't you supposed to be in bed?
Yeah, Bully, bully.
Yeah. Whatever she said. Oh. Here we go. Whoa, we didn't even need to buy fireworks. Oh, yeah. Oh, where'd it go? Oh no, Jimmy Joe. Ah! Run, Evie. Save the children. It burned her shoe. How?
Right there.
Got a hole in her shoe.
Because of the fireworks.
Wow. So we've got one of our coal buckets that we use for put hot ashes in, and we're going to shoot them in there from now on. And that way, if it tips over, it can't get us. There we go. See, now it can't get us. That's a good idea, Amanda.
Dad, who is that? Naomi, it's in the bucket.
We've got it in the bucket.
Even if it falls over, it will not shoot at us.
Yeah,
that
we
thing
put
is
it in the
meant
bucket.
to handle hot coals. That
Oh! Whoa!
Is that it?
That's it? This is so out of control. I think this is COVID fireworks. Everybody wants to partay. What do we need to buy them for? We got the neighbors doing big ones.
Those are a lot of...
Oh, Amanda, run! It's coming up over the house.
Oh, that is big.
Oh, that's huge. Blood moon tonight. Hey, look up there. That looked like ours, but it's not. I don't ever remember it this crazy. Everywhere you look.
That's because nobody is going to a fireworks show.
Yeah, oh yeah, nobody's doing a fireworks show.
But I've never seen it like this.
I've never seen it like this either. This is out of control. Whoa! Last to the last. Oh! We are doing Yankee Doodle. Last one. Okay, last one. Uh-oh, last one. Wow. Fire trucks. I hear the fire trucks. Fire. Uh-oh, somebody's in trouble. Listen, you can just hear it constant. There's no break. That is unreal. Okay, the kids are all getting their sparklers. Okay, everybody, sparkler time. Whee! There they all go. We got the line of sparklers going.
Best 4th of July ever!
Yeah. In the bucket. Put them in the bucket. Clean up. Forgot about my tent out here. I guess it'll be all right. I don't see any fireworks coming back here. Hope the kitties are fine. Wow, where are they doing them? Right here? Ooh. Let's see what we got. We got a kitty. Naomi, show me yours. Oh, with a tail. Oh, look at you. And look at you. And Hudson.
Kitty and Hudson.
Get one on him? Okay, Hudson said he'd put the shirt on. It's what Jimmy Joe wore when he was a little boy. Hudson, you're too big for that almost.
I think Go get that one on Henry.
There's Jimmy Joe's shirt. Oh, hold your dress up, Amanda. Look how little.
Yeah,
2 years old. We're trying out singing outfits on.
Okay, but can you sing? You have to sing.
Can you sing?
Day to you.
I'll sing.
Happy birthday.
No.
Happy birthday.
Orgill family singers.
Okay.
Wow.
Look at those. Wow, look at this.
Maybe this can be a bed. Oh yeah, that could.
Oh, the fireworks are still going. It's 11 o'clock at night. It's been to the neighbors across the street are doing them now. There's the blood moon. Look at the smoke. How do people still keep going? It's been 2 hours. People are having way too much fun. Oh, we're getting the Lego cellos out.
Wow.
How'd you guys even think to bring those?
No, we bought them at the store today. Oh, they did work. These are cool. Oh, look at you.
Look, I made a bag. Here, Dad. Just one.
Oh, yeah. Those are pretty cool.
These are Naomi's.
You got one from Naomi? Oh.
Hey, go eat them out there, guys.
We're close tonight. I'm supposed to be heading to bed. That's Jimmy Joe's last night. There is no substitute for hard work. Don't ever say somebody's lucky for what they have. They worked for it. Well, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember to look for that rose. And let's see what tomorrow brings. Good night. I miss you wherever you are. I miss you. I know you're not too far. We did everything together. We were the best of friends. Save a place for me up there until we meet again. When you see me all alone and crying just for you, send some angels down for me to help me make it through. Heaven, have mercy. My poor heart is breaking. Help me stop hurting. My empty arms are aching. I miss you wherever you are. I miss you. I know you're not too far. We did everything together. We were the best of friends. Save a place for me up there